Hello, today I will show you how to access the recovery mode in Samsung Galaxy A9. First, let's unlock the phone by pressing the power key and swiping up. Now, hold the power key for a few seconds and choose power off and confirm your selection by choosing power off again. This turns off your phone. Let's wait for a second, and now please select both the Bixby, power and volume up buttons and hold them all three at once until the Samsung Galaxy A9 logo appears. Now stop holding them and wait. The phone is now booting into recovery mode. And here we are. In recovery mode we can do all kinds of things. To select different things, use the volume up and down buttons to go through them. You can reboot the system, reboot a bootloader, and maybe even wipe data and do a factory reset, or just power off our device. We will reboot our system now. Let's go up, and you confirm your selection with the power button. Click it, and that's it. Our system will now reboot. That's how you access the recovery mode. If this video helped you, please leave a like, subscribe, and thank you for watching.